Welcome back to the set, everybody. My name is CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show.
Yes, it is.
Right behind that camera is my home slice,
That's
Nate.
me.
Right over there is my nephew, also home slice,
Also me.
Ethan. So glad that you guys are with us. Today, it's going to be a special one. I think we're going to elevate.
Dude, don't
Elevation! I'm elevating to certain degrees.
Why?
And for
Why?
said elevation, I was inspired. I had inspiration.
Well, okay.
A muse, if you will.
Dude, you don't have to. Okay.
Not
Keep
you.
going.
This one
What?
came from a viewer on YouTube.
All right.
And she requested, specifically, this is Gun Reviews for Women, says, can you do a pasta dish on the Blackstone? You choose. Gun Reviews for Women? Yes, I can. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make,
starting this?
yeah, a chicken pesto pasta on the Blackstone.
Pesto
we're gonna have
pasta.
we're gonna have ourselves a good time. And just remember, it's not your ordinary cooking show. Get ready for some cooking and quoting. It might seem annoying, but if you get annoyed, that's because you don't like to quote movies. And what are you gonna do? Oh, hello. By the way, Jen Douglas, we do appreciate the special homemade custom mugs as we cook and we quote on this fine day.
It's fine day. Pinkies up. All the way down, son.
All the way down.
All the way.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first show.
Now the best part about this elevated dish is that it does not take much time at all. In fact, this is super, super quick, similar to that speeding crotch rocket that went
Pretty
cruising
quick.
by us over
Did
there.
you hear 'em?
Yeah, I did hear them. So this is a fun one, and of course, we're using tried and true chicken cutlets. Now let me grab some
The
olive
old
oil.
ye old cutlet.
Now, I like to use cutlets for the same reason that I've been talking about for years. Number one, it is quick. They stay, you know, like relatively juicy.
Today, Junior!
So to season these, we're gonna hit this up with some kosher salt. And if you're not using kosher salt, I highly recommend that you do. The window for oversalting is much less. In
Ooh,
fact,
good call.
I don't know that I've ever oversalted using kosher salt.
That's a really good point because iodized is so fine.
Yeah, and it's just not cool. Also, hitting that with some Tutto Italiano, a little throwing love to Betty who helped craft that wonderful seasoning at headquarters. Honestly, this isn't too tough. We're elevating, but we're still on like an easy territory. Keeping it simple and prepping to head onto the Blackstone, which is right behind us. Speaking of that,
Keeping it secret.
Keep it secret. Keep it safe.
what is that?
Lord of the Rings.
Don't me?
I knew it.
Oh, I knew it. Anyway, behind me, I've got my 28-inch Pro Series back here.
Good
that
looking.
has been preheating. I've had it on low. I'm gonna crank it up just a little bit more. Gonna add a little bit of olive oil and go down with our cutlets. Now you're gonna see here at the end when it's time to actually assemble and build everything, why I wanted to use cutlets aside from the fact that it cooks quick and that it's delicious. There's a great way to present with it. It's a lot of fun.
You have to wait and see. You have to keep watching.
Don't you go dying on me. But speaking of waiting and watching, I thought that this would be a great opportunity to go to a new segment that we recently acquired where we highlight and honor the new subscribers.
New subscribers.
New subscribers, I'm so glad that you guys are with us. I thought this would be a fun way for the world to get to know you the same way you're getting to know us. So first off, this comes from Bill Ware, or We Are.
We are.
It looks like where with an E at the end. Anyways, just ran across our videos, just subscribed. So pumped that you found us, Bill. The next one is Danny. This is actually a great comment. Says, new to the Blackstone, kind of rad, kind of excited, kind of scared. Okay. I like it.
Okay.
And number 3. This comes in from Russell Jennings. I'm a Blackstone newbie, but I'd like to get on record saying that this, I have to say the whole comment because this is just way too good. Saying that this is the best cooking show ever. And from now on, when I see CJ's first cooking show pop up, I'll be sure to have a drink in my hand. Cheers, boys.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
Hello to the noobs. So glad that you guys are with us.
How's that for a slice of fried gold?
Wait for all this to blow over.
All right, dude, this is not gonna take very long. Like I said, the beauty of this recipe is the simplicity of it. But you'll see at the very end.
Nice looking tomatoes.
Oh, thank you. It's a wild, wondrous gourmet medley.
No wonder.
Huh?
Huh?
Just shut up!
Now, you could just use some baby cherry tomatoes. You could use actually any kind of tomato that you want, and But ultimately, you're just going to be
Yeah,
slicing them
color.
up.
The color's
the
really
color,
gorgeous.
that's
The
part
variation.
of that's part of the elevation that we're going to have some fun with.
I knew it.
Now,
I knew you liked me.
Who said that I liked you?
I did.
I don't know. I don't know about all that. But you know, these tomatoes, they're going to be. It's a little punch of sweetness, a little burst of flavor as we're cruising through here. Honestly, it's sweet, dude. Super simple, super quick. Now, another key part of this, you could go pre-shredded if you like, but
Queso.
I think that getting some fresh grated Parmesan cheese.
Italian.
Queso.
Fromage.
What is it?
Fromage?
Is
You
it?
tried to say queso in
A
Italian
queso.
accent.
It's me. I'm Mario.
Press start to play.
Yeah. Again, if you want to shortcut it, you could definitely get the pre-done, pre-shredded. Save you a little bit of time, but honestly, this doesn't take that much time, and we are good to go. Not only is it going to taste good, but for those fresh, fine, grated, shredded, the people that don't like pre-shredded stuff like Betty and Nay, we're making them happy.
For you.
This is for you. All right,
For
let's give our chicken a little flip back here.
Boom.
We should be good to go. Oh yes, see that crust,
Beauty.
dude? That's what I'm talking about.
Beauty.
That Tutto Italiano is getting it done. Hold on, I think I need just a little bit more olive oil to keep the cook going there. Okay, so it's seriously that quick.
Wow.
It's almost as if you could call me Jerry and I was a race car driver.
Whoa.
Speaking of Jerry, the race car driver, yep.
Hang on. We'll do it this way.
CJ, did you know that Les Claypool, you know, the main guy of Primus,
Obviously, I know Les
wrote
Claypool.
and played and sang for not only South Park, because everybody knows that,
I'm going down south, I'm gonna have myself a time.
but Robot Chicken, and he does the from
What?
Robot Chicken, the theme.
Oh, I
was not aware of that.
Who's Les Claypool?
shut up.
Oh my. Jeez. Wow.
So I'll go to the Winchester and
So this all blows over.
And wait for all this to blow over.
the chicken is officially almost done. Again, like I said,
Officially almost.
it's officially almost done.
It's 100%, 90% done.
So speaking of 90% done, maybe like 80% done, we've got some par-cooked pasta. We've got some penne here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get my chicken scooted aside. We're gonna go down.
Ooh, into that chicken goodness?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
While we're there, let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tomatoes.
Dang.
We're gonna have these cook along with our pasta for just a little bit. Not too long,
Oh,
but
yeah.
kind of just long enough where they start to burst a little bit, releasing.
Oh, like let them start to like steam a little?
Yeah. Now, again, our chicken is almost done. What we're gonna do here before we get to our pesto, I'm gonna glaze the chicken in just a little bit of this Italian sear and serve.
Oh, dang. Okay.
And then we're heading over to our pasta.
Whoa. He's a maniac.
Maniac.
On the floor.
Now it's time to make this pesto action happen. Look, you could make this on your own at home. It's actually really not that difficult. It's just some herbs and some oil,
I
some
should do one on my
seasoning.
show.
You would. Gonna go in with some pesto here.
Dang.
Now,
This is really quick.
now because we used some of the Italian sear and serve, we don't have to be like overly heavy with the pesto. We want
Yeah.
it to coat everything, but the Italian sear and serve is going to work together. Oh, let me season this a little bit with,
Oh yeah, this noodles need some love.
yeah. And a pesto, it's not, it's obviously it's more herbs than seasonings. So you definitely want
Herbs
to
and
make
garlic,
sure
yeah.
that you've got plenty of that. And then also going to go in with some Tutto Italiano,
Tutto.
because why not? And you know what I'm also going to do at this stage?
What?
Just a little bit, just a little handful.
Oh, the cheese?
Yep. We'll start working in some cheesiness. Let's toss this
Smells
around.
amazing already.
Dude, look at the colors.
Who was it that requested pasta? Because great suggestion. Thank
Gun
you.
reviews for women.
Thank you.
Wasn't that what it was?
This is in honor of you.
Yes, this is in fact in honor of you. All right, dude, there we go. It's literally that simple. So what we're gonna do, our chicken. Ooh, let me have a look here. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
The chicken is money. You know what? The chicken's done. I'm gonna go ahead and take both of these. We're gonna just set them right here. And
Those look awesome.
dude, they're very awesome. we're literally about to start building. So what I'm gonna do is give my tomatoes a moment to keep cooking, burst, release some of those juices.
And then plate it up?
But my friend, pretty soon you'll have a quick pesto pasta.
Pesto Pasta.
Boys, we are almost there. Now, we've got our chicken cutlets. You could do this if you really wanted to. You could,
Mix it in?
yes, you could mix it in. But because I'm elevating this,
You just stop saying it.
I'm gonna slice it up, and we're gonna kind of dress the pasta with the sliced chicken. It's gonna be,
I don't care who you give credit to. I'm proud of you.
well, I'm definitely not giving it to you.
Can I have it?
Sure. Ethan, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Okay, but now we're done, boys, and it's time to head over to get our pasta. For this, I really wanted to do a large, I guess large,
family
wide,
style.
deep dish. Yeah, this is,
Yeah.
if I'm elevating, I might as well go family style as well. So we've got this large dish. We're gonna load this up with our penne and our tomato mixture here. We're gonna bring that back over to our cutting board. I'm gonna lay or dress. Is there another term for it? I don't know. But that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna dress this chicken on top of the pasta. Then I'm gonna garnish with some more fresh grated Parmesan. And dude, I don't need to, but it does need a little post dust and some fresh basil on top.
Dude.
Darn right, dude.
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 It's been a day.
It's been a day.
It's been a day.
It's been an adventure.
It's been a short adventure.
It's been something. Now, again?
How's that for a slice of fried gold?
Okay. It was simple.
It walk like duck.
Talk like duck.
Oh, is that truth serum?
It was crazy quick.
It looks amazing.
Like, it was almost real-time cooking.
it looks like a
dude,
real cook made it. Like a
That was-
real. It's like a real cook made it. You made it.
Yeah, I know.
It's a compliment.
Okay, I'm gonna jump in here, dude. I'm gonna get some of this pasta with the
Tomato.
little mater, and oh wait, I'm just gonna do the chicken first.
He shoots. He scores. Let's get an attitude.
Choked in the open net.
You got that belly dance going. Is that what happened? It's Italian food.
That's what happens.
It's what.
You start getting the family style shuffle. I don't even know what to say.
I'll get
The
down
chicken
on
is
that.
cooked perfectly.
I'll get down on this.
Little burst of tomato. Wow,
Oh,
you
I
guys
got
just
tomato
ruined
chicken.
all of that.
Nope. Okay. Okay. Bro.
Come on,
Bro.
right?
So this is one of the best things you've made in the show.
You said that last time I did the pork chops because it was also slightly elevated, so this is getting to be a trend. You just
I
like
hope
this
so.
kind of food.
I hope so.
Nate.
Ed.
Ethan.
CJ.
CJ.
Look, it is good. And all of us agree that this is freaking amazing. It was honestly really, really fast, really, really simple. And you can
So
actually,
good.
this is actually kind of a budget thing too. There's a box of pasta, a couple chicken cutlets. Throw 2 more chicken cutlets right there. Guarantee you that's for 20. Leave it in the comments below. Are you gonna try this one? Would you try this? If you were at a nice restaurant, would you order this? I
Yes.
think that you would.
I would.
Okay, speaking of comments, guys, we're officially at that point where we
You made it.
slide our way into CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Okay, you made it, my friends. Thank you so much for hanging with us. CJ's favorite comments of the weeks. It's a section where we get to highlight you, the viewers.
Special place.
It's a special place.
time.
We give you a platform to speak. Because if you guys write it,
We read it.
and then we just throw it out there for everybody to partake of.
Share.
So starting from the top in no particular
Ooh, here we
order,
go.
this first one comes in from Hooks and Cook.
Nice. It's a
Yeah.
good handle.
I like it. Says, I just had Buffalo Wild Wings Friday and have to say, your recipes blow theirs out of the water.
Nailed it.
Keep it up, y'all. You know what I
Yep.
say to that?
What?
Have to fly. Have to fight. Have to crawl.
That's good.
Have to save Maggie, have to save Jack.
Hook and Cook is back.
Huh? What? That whole thing just to build up to that?
Yeah, there it is.
That's awesome.
Okie dokie artichoke. This next one comes in from Christopher Malphus. Christopher says, love the video, but you guys talk way too much. Two guys who love to
That's
hear
not
their
even
own
true.
voices.
We don't even talk that
wow.
much.
We
We
really
hardly-
rarely say anything.
I mean, if we
I'm
are
not
gonna
even sure what you're
talk,
talking about.
we're always letting each
really,
other
any
talk.
time that we are talking,
Because
it's something
if it's
that you really
something
need to
really
know
good to
about.
say-
I don't know why you would think such a thing.
People leave comments about this all the time.
God.
I don't get it.
Better luck next time, Christopher. Mirko Plutch. I don't know how to say your handle name. I'm so sorry, Mirko. Says, where does one send stickers so that you can achieve the minimum 37 pieces of flair on your board? You know what?
Dang.
I don't really like talking about my flair.
Dude, that was good.
That was really, really good.
You know, if you were here, I'd invite you over to my house to watch Kung Fu. Do you like Kung Fu?
Channel 39.
Totally.
Okay.
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 Yeah, we'll ring it for
Wow,
Mirko.
Meerkat.
Also, if you do want to send us some stuff, hit me up on Instagram and I will send you the address. All right, Joel Patterson felt the need to chime in, saying CJ and his crew are a bunch of fannies.
A bunch of fannies?
If it weren't for Bruce, this would be extremely hard to watch.
We're a bunch of fannies.
Dude, why you gotta come at me like that?
Why you gotta be
and
bringing
my
up the
people.
fannies?
Like
using the F word like that?
Dropping the F bomb? Joel, you cut me deep, bro. You know what I could use right now?
DJ, can you clad the monkey?
And just like that, I feel better.
Oh, all you needed.
All right, to wrap this one up, we're gonna get a little wholesome.
Oh, it's about time.
It's about time. Roxanne Frazier.
Oh,
Roxanne, you don't have to put on the red lights. This is my mom, by the way.
Yep, sorry.
Roxanne, my favorite Blackstone chef is CJ Frazier.
No, she misspelled.
Your loaded breakfast potato crisps were so awesome, and Monroe's green chili is the best.
Yeah. ...
CJ, you're my favorite son. And Ryan, my other son, is not nearly as cool as you.
She wrote all that?
All of that.
Did she mention her grandchild?
No, she did not. Oh, wait, she did. P.S. Ethan sucks. Yep.
Dude, that's so mean. Dude.
Mama, I love you so much. Thank you. Your baby boy.
Sadly, I'll do the bell.
Oh, good.
She was just kidding, right? Like I'm her favorite still?
I appreciate you guys so much for hanging out with us and spending some time with us on the set of CJ's first cooking show. It's a little wild. There's a lot of quoting. Look, the bottom line is we're just some homies who love each other. We're
wild, crazy guys.
Two wild and crazy guys!
Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and tons of others. Also go to griddlenation.com. By the way, nah, dude. Also,
it's a party.
It is a party. If you want to put some OG stuff up on the OG board, be sure to hit me up on Instagram or send me a message somehow on the socials.
Wait, is this how you're doing it?
I
just started having more followers on Instagram. This is how he's sneaking in.
Listen,
to get more followers on Instagram.
If I can get 200 more followers,
at
Nate
Chef Nathan Lippy.
just passed me somehow.
At Chef Nathan
If I can get more followers than Nate, I will send you a T-shirt that is signed.
You're bribing.
I will send you a T-shirt.
Bribing.
I don't know what you're talking about. I would send a T-shirt to them because I love them.
Okay.
Also, this is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we close. See you guys in the next episode.
Follow me on Instagram and hit me up.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first.